Good morning, sixth students. How are you today? Today we are going to take lesson 6, page 11 in your student books. So please open your books, page 11, and follow with me. Here, as you can see in this picture, we can see Jack and Kylie. Also, we can see a map. This is the map of the USA, and they are in the airport. Let's read the dialogue between Jack and Kylie to know more details. But before reading the dialogue, we have to know the objectives lesson for today. So, learning objectives: practice asking about expressing preferences, new grammar 1-2, vocabulary review, north, south, and etc. اللي هم أهداف الدرس. رح نتدرب عن نسأل ونعبر عن الأشياء المفضلة. رح نشرح قاعدة إنه نطلب أو نسأل كمان عن الأشياء المفضلة. So now let's read the dialogue between Jack and Kylie. Jack: okay, so now that we have our suitcases, where do you want to go? Kylie: I want to go to the United States. Jack: the United States is a big country, Kylie. Where do you want to go first? Kylie: let's go to California. Jack: is that near New York? Kylie: no, California is in the west. New York is in the east. Look at this map. Jack: oh yes, what do you want to do in California? Kylie: I want to go to Disneyland. Jack: great idea. When do you want to leave? Kylie: look, flight 305 leaves at 1 o'clock. Let's go right now. So here we have Jack and Kylie. They are discussing about going to the United States. Jack asked Kylie where does she wants to go. Kylie said that she wants to go to the United States, and Jack told that the United States is a big country. So he asked Kylie where does she want to go first. She said that she wants to go first to California. California is in the east. So where is the location of California in the United States? California is in the east, and it's mentioned also that the New York is in the west. And Jack asked Kylie why she wants to go to California first. Because she wants to go to Disneyland. So Disneyland in California. Okay, now let's move to vocabulary. Suitcases, noun, plural. A large container with flat sides and handle used for carrying clothes and other things when you travel. This is a picture of suitcases, and suitcases, we used them for carrying clothes and other things when we need to travel. Near, preposition, close to someone or something. Map, noun, singular, an image of an area that shows the positions of things such as countries or river, etc. Flight, noun, singular, a journey through air or space in a vehicle such as a plane. This is a picture for flight. Okay, and we have departures, noun, plural, an airport section where people get on planes to leave, and the opposite of departures is arrival. So we have in the airport two sections, section for departure and section for arrival اللي هم المغادرين departure. arrival القادمين اللي وصلوا من المطار. Okay, so now let's move to discover grammar. Here we have also the yellow box grammar, as you can see here. Grammar. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Here we have WH question, and we have the verb want plus 2 plus verb infinitive or base form. To ask about preferences, we ask with the word or the verb want, as you can see here. Where do you want to go? So we use WH question. Preferences اللي هم الأشياء المفضلة، لما بدنا نسأل عن الأشياء المفضلة. This is how we ask about preferences. So we start with WH question plus the verb want plus want to plus the infinitive verb base form. Okay, and we have to answer. For example, here I want to go. This is expressing preferences, so this is the answer. It will be want to plus the base form or the infinitive of the verb. Now let's read the discover grammar. Read activity 1 again and underline the questions with want. Circle the answers and circle the answers. So we have to underline the questions with want and to circle the answer. And we have, here there is a question. What word comes between want and the verb? So let's underline the question with want. Here we have, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? So this is the question, and the answer, where is the answer? Here is the answer. I want to go to the United States. So we have to circle it. So I want to go to the United States. This is how expressing preferences, how we to express preferences. And where do you want to go? This is how we ask about preferences. Where do you want to go? هون هيك احنا بنسأل عن الاشي المفضل إلك، ولما بدنا نجاوب رح نحكي عن إشي، نعبر عن الإشي المفضل إلنا، رح نستخدم verb want مع البيس فورم اللي هو الفعل المجرد أو الفعل الغير مصرف. Okay, and here there is a question. What word comes between want and the verb? This is the verb want and this is the verb. So what word comes between want and the verb? To. This is the word. Okay, and I left this exercise A as a homework and send back your answers to me. So please underline all the questions with want and circle the answers. Okay, now let's move to B. Tick. We use want when asking about someone's preferences or someone's appearance. هون يعني احنا متى بنستخدم الفعل want لما بنعبر عن الاشي المفضل إلنا. So we have to take someone's preferences like this. Okay. So want to ask about preferences. Here, as you can see here, we use the verb want to talk about wishes or to express preferences. For example, what do you want for dinner tonight? Also, we have the example from your book. This is to ask about preferences. To ask about preferences, where this is the WH question, and here we have the verb want and to plus infinitive, verb infinitive. So where do you want to go? Ask with want preferences. So لما بدنا نسأل عن إشي مفضل إلنا رح نسأل مع الفعل want، ولما رح نجاوب كمان رح نستخدم الفعل want. I want to go رح نستخدم want to مع الفعل الانفينيتيف هو الفعل المجرد to the United States expressing preferences. So this is how we ask about preferences. Okay, so that's it for today. Please don't forget to finish your homework, to underline all the questions with want and circle the answers and send back your answers to me. Thank you very much.